If creamy, spicy comfort food had a king, this Cajun chicken pasta would wear the crown. Today, we're building layers of bold Cajun flavor, tender chicken, and a rich, velvety sauce that clings to every bite of pasta. Hi, and welcome back to Feast Kingdom. Today, we're making an ultra-creamy Cajun chicken pasta that's packed with flavor, easy to make, and absolutely unforgettable. Let's start with our ingredients. As always, a full list is available in the description. First thing, let's put a large pot of water on to boil. Generously salt the water. This is your first chance to season the pasta itself. Once that water is boiling, we'll be ready for our penne. Now let's prep our chicken. Place the chicken breast into a Ziploc bag and gently pound it flat. This helps it cook evenly and stay incredibly tender. Transfer the chicken to a baking pan and brush it lightly with olive oil. Now we layer in the flavor: Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, a generous hit of Ya Mama Cajun seasoning, paprika for color and warmth, and Italian seasoning for those amazing herbs. Brush those seasonings all over the chicken, making sure every inch is coated. Flip it over, and repeat the exact same process on the other side. Next, slice some butter and scatter it right over the seasoned chicken. Add about a cup of chicken broth to the pan. This keeps everything juicy and flavorful. Cover tightly with aluminum foil. And bake at 350 degrees until perfectly cooked and tender, usually about 30 minutes, or until internal temp reaches 165. Now that our water is boiling, add the penne pasta. Give it a good stir and cook until al dente, usually about 9 to 13 minutes. While the pasta cooks, let's build our sauce. Start by dicing up a red bell pepper, a yellow onion, and some fresh garlic. Then chop the florets off a head of fresh broccoli. Melt butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Go ahead and add in the red bell pepper and onion. And our broccoli florets. Stir everything together and let it sauté for a few minutes until fragrant and slightly tender. Now add the garlic and stir, just long enough to release that aroma. Add in the diced tomatoes. I happen to have some fire roasted for extra kick. Mix well, then pour in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of chicken broth. Stir everything together until smooth and combined. Now for the magic. Add in 8 ounces of plain cream cheese, a chicken bouillon cube, a little more Ya Mama seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, followed by about a cup each of grated Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Stir until everything melts into a rich, creamy Cajun sauce. Add the cooked penne pasta directly into the sauce. Mix until every piece of pasta is coated in that creamy goodness. Remove the chicken from the oven and uncover. Once it's cooled slightly, slice it into thick, juicy strips. Plate the pasta and top it with those tender Cajun chicken slices. Finish it off with extra sauce right over the top. A little dipping bread is great too. Creamy, bold, and loaded with flavor. This Cajun chicken pasta is comfort food done right. If you enjoyed this recipe, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cooking content. We'll see you in the next one.